Letter T, baby for teacher. And your motto is moral excellence and knowledge. And I said the letter T. Auntie, established in 2007. And the Romans are 549. In fact, their balls and their handkerchiefs are making the thing colorful. Wow! Wow! I like the streets. I like the streets with which you are